DGLY stock analysis and DGLY stock prediction is to buy right now. Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. I've been in the market for 5 years. I've spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors. You know, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And I'm here to tell you that with DGLY stock, specifically this, it's just a bearish market to me. Like, I'm not even saying it like in a bad way. It's just the truth. You can see I have previous receipts in my YouTube channel a lot. It definitely pumped up quite hard, but then this is what still held it back, this supply zone. And the truth and the reality of the matter is that the most likely thing that's about to freaking be reached next for me is just the sell side here, the lows at 193. Meaning that only if I see breaks above $5, I'm bullish. And I know it's like a big discrepancy, but I'm just sticking to my rules. And actually, there's far better setups that I'm willing to risk my same amount of capital compared to DGLY. And even the sell side, I prefer the long side. So stay tuned. If you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.